Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. These Color Street Cotton Candy Swirl nail polish strips are super fun and a quick and easy way to get great designs on your nails with no dry time. That's right, no worries about smudging your nails. And that's my favorite part. The set comes with everything you need to apply them. You simply find a strip that fits your nail and then follow the instructions on the inside of the packaging. You get a great at-home way to do your nails. I could never do this design on my own. And with these nail polish strips, they look so professional when you're done, but they were so simple to apply. I just love the results and the convenience of these Color Street nail polish strips. And this cotton candy swirl color is just so fun and pretty. And that's my point of view.